Now I'm going to show you how to create test case from a web service. There are a few web services we've recorded. For example, we have login web service and we have get details web service. If you want to add the test case to get details web service, we have to go to web service details and click on test cases on this button, which is add test case. When we go to the test case, we can select parameters from CSV file, and we can select how many runs, how many iterations we want to run, or use the first, or run until the end of file. We create the web service. Let's call it get details test case. Then I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna check that we get the correct customer. We're going to use this web service, this URL, and we're gonna use the static parameters of the web service that were defined on the service itself. And now we can do validation on the output parameters. We can do validate on the customer ID, on the customer name. Let's validate. I want to get, it should be CAM's sports goods, so it contains string CAM. And let's validate that we don't get any pop-up message. So pop-up message should be empty. Okay, so let's save the test case, and now we can run it. We can run it from here in order to test that the test case works, or we can run it from an API, REST API from any external system. Now, once we created our tests or test cases, we can run them, we can create test groups with those test cases. Okay, this customer does not contain CAM, so it failed. Let's edit that again. Let's make sure that it's not empty. Now we can go to the test groups that we have. We're going to create test group for daily tests, and it's going to run daily. This test group, I'm going to add test cases to it. I have created a logon test case, and let's add also test case get details, and that's the test group that I've created, and I can run it daily. What else? Let's add another test group, monthly run, and runs every month. This test group does not have to contain everything. It's going to contain only the login web service. So now we have two test groups that we can run from any continuous integration tool. One of them is the daily test, and the other one is the monthly run.